Hello everybody, today I want to talk with you about how you can download Apple TV in your smart TV LG Webos. Now pay attention, you need open your TV lobby home and find the App Store. In this case is LG Content Store. In my smart TV the color is pink and the name is LG Content Store. Maybe in your TV is blue, I don't know. Open and find that app. With app Apple TV. Now look at that. This is Apple TV. This is my home stream in my LG Content Store. But if you don't find that app here, you can move the ways. Now, if you don't see Apple TV, can you open that search bar and put their name? What is Apple TV? Now, when you open this app, can you download that app? Now if you if you can't not download this app, you have two options. The first option is use HDMI cable, connect here and connect the other side in your electronic, example mobile, laptop, iPad, PC, like my this, like me, and duplicate your screen with this button. Touch here, and can you see now my Windows screen mirror? And can I put here Apple TV? This is a most cheaper option. The most easier option is use other system. Example Roku TV or Chromecast or Fire TV stick. I don't know. This Fire stick TV, whatever, doesn't matter. This is other system. This is can you get all apps streaming with this? Put this in your smart TV bag and with the remote control select your Apple TV and enjoy. This is all for this video. I have that my English is awful, but I was trying to learn speak English. I get more experience talk and get more vocabulary with my conversation alone, because I am alone here now. Have a good day. See you later. And like my video, please.